In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Webflow promo code 2026 guide. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can grab a valid discount in just a couple of minutes. You don't need any special tools, subscriptions, or signups. Just your browser and a few quick checks to make sure you're choosing the best offer for your situation. First, open a new tab and go to webflow.worthepenny.com. This page curates current Webflow deals and promo codes in one place, which saves you time compared to searching around. Make sure you've typed the URL correctly and that your browser shows a secure connection. If the page looks cached or outdated, give it a quick refresh. You shouldn't need to disable any security settings. Just be aware that some browsers block pop-ups and a new tab may open when you access a deal. That's normal for coupon sites. Once you're on the page, take a moment to look for the promo that best fits your needs. Like, you'll typically see several offers, like a percentage off, a specific dollar discount, or a limited time deal for new users. Pay close attention to the details. Some promotions apply only to certain plans, have a minimum purchase, or are limited to first-time upgrades. Check the expiration date and any usage limits, such as one-time use or region restrictions. If there are user ratings or timestamps, favor offers that were recently verified. The goal here is to balance the biggest discount with the rules that match your account and the plan you're targeting. When you've found the promo you want, click the copy button. That action usually places the code on your clipboard and may open Webflow in a new tab where the discount can be applied. Keep the coupon tab open in case you want to double check the code or switch to a different offer. If the site shows deal instead of a visible code, that typically means the discount will auto-apply on the destination page without needing to paste anything. If the copy action doesn't appear to work the first time, click it again and look for a brief confirmation message. Most coupon pages will display a quick copied indicator. And that's it. You've gone to the curated coupon page, reviewed the available promotions to find the best match, and clicked copy to secure your Webflow promo code. Codes and availability change frequently, so if you don't find the perfect offer today, check back later. Happy saving and enjoy building with Webflow.